In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add text box in LibreOffice Impress. This is a very simple task, but it's also a really useful one, especially when you want to place custom text anywhere on a slide instead of relying only on the default title or content areas. A text box gives you more freedom to add labels, notes, headings, or short explanations exactly where you need them. To get started, open your LibreOffice Impress file. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to make sure everything has loaded properly and that you're in the normal slide editing view. This will make it easier to place and edit your text box. Next, go to the slide where you want to add the text box. If your presentation has multiple slides, you can select the correct one from the slide panel, usually shown along the side of the screen. It's important to be on the right slide first so the text box is added in the correct place and you don't have to move it later. Now look at the top menu bar, click Insert, and then from the drop-down menu, choose Text Box. This tells Impress that you want to create a custom text area on your slide. As soon as you select that option, your cursor will change to a crosshair. That's your sign that the program is ready for you to draw the text box. Move your cursor onto the slide, then click and drag to create the size of the text box you want. If you only need a small label, make a smaller box. If you're planning to enter more text, drag out a wider or taller area. Once you release the mouse, the text box will be created and you can start typing directly inside it. Go ahead and enter your text. If needed, you can later click on the text box again to reposition it, resize it, or format the text to better match the rest of your presentation. For example, you might want to adjust the font size, alignment, or color so it stands out more clearly on the slide. And that's it. That's how you add a text box in LibreOffice Impress. Once you've done it once, you can repeat the same process on any slide where you need extra text.